Before moving on to the actual music, there are 4 notes that you need to know. These notes are for the counting and the value of the length. So the first one is called a quarter note. So it's easier to go from the very last one, the bottom one, which is semi-brief. We say semi-brief in some countries, including New Zealand, but in America and other countries also call it whole note. Just think about the whole apple, and it holds 4 beats. Then if we chop in half, it's become a half note because it's half, and the note's value here is 2. Then the next one, you have a minim or half note with a dot, and it has 3 value. And the first one, which is called crochet or quarter note, is 1 beat. So every time when you see these notes, it tells you how many beats you need to hold for each note. Before we play these notes on the harp, let's clap together. So I will count 4 beats before we start to clap. So I will count 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we start together in the rhythm written below here. So let's try number 1. So remember the quarter note, half note. We don't have dotted half note here, but the whole note. So the first one is starting with the quarter notes. So you will go like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, ready? I will count in 4, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. Next one, number 2. This time I will count in 3. Now you have a dotted minim or dotted half note here, so make sure you hold for 3 beats. Ready? I will count 3 beats in 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Well done. What are we gonna do is we will pick up 1 string on the harp. It can be any string, and then play within this rhythm here. For me, I will pick C string. Let's try number 1 together. I will just tap and you can pluck any string on your harp. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Next one is 3. You can pick another string or you can swap the hand. Ready? I will count 3 in. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good, well done. Now let's play the actual music. It's called Dodo-Do because C has a different name. It's called Do, and Dodo is actually the bird that is extinct. First of all, we are gonna clap the rhythm. We will get familiarized with the rhythm value first. We have 2 beats in this music. Let's clap together. Ready? I will count in 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Very good, well done. Now let's have a look at the notes. They are all same notes and it's colored in red. Can you tell which note it is? Yes, it's C, and it's middle C. Let's try with your right hand first. Place, remember our basic posture. Place thumb up, elbow up, ready? In 2. I will count 2 beats. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Easy? Let's try now with your left hand. So again, we are on the same C. We can't go any C because if we put into the stave, that means we are in the specific C. It needs to be the middle C. Ready? I will count in 2 again. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Good, well done.